This is a home-style dish made for the dining table. Learn how to make a hamburger and ketchup gravy with the help of this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a medium-sized bowl, add the ground beef, ketchup, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, steak seasoning, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix to combine, then form into small fat hamburger patties or meatballs. In a large skillet, add the vegetable oil and set over medium to high heat. Place the patties and cook until browned on both sides. Set it aside, then add in the unsalted butter and white onions. Saute until translucent. Add in the ketchup and water. You may add a bit more of the ketchup if the mixture is too thin, or add more water if it is too thick. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low and return the patties into the pan. Stir after 30 minutes and continue simmering with the lid off if the gravy is still thin. Garnish with the ketchup gravy and chopped parsley, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.